Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and Pabitra here again to talk about something which is very new among the learners or the students who are start to join their Azure journey. And if you want to learn more on Azure Cloud Platform, then what else could be better than learning that for free on Azure portal? So today I'm going to talk about how to create your free account in Azure portal and start your Azure cloud journey. So to begin with, first I would say, what is Microsoft Azure? Do you have any idea about Microsoft Azure? So this is one of the fastest growing cloud platform. I would say that Microsoft Cloud Platform provides uh, almost all the services now being today provided by any cloud provider, and being Microsoft the major player in the cloud market, uh, Azure Cloud has a good brand name in all the corporate or enterprise level. So basically, Microsoft's cloud computing platform that it provides a wide range of cloud services and solutions. It offers tools and services for building, deploying, and managing applications and services through Microsoft's managed data centers. And next comes what is the significance of Azure? Azure is significant because it empowers business to scale, manage, and deploy applications, data, and resources more efficiently and cost effectively compared to any other cloud providers. Then I would say there are certain concepts in Azure, which is like cloud computing, which is nothing but a technology that allows users to create or access computing resources over the internet. And in that, we have IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, which offers virtualized computing resources over the internet. And Azure provides IaaS solutions such as virtual machines, etc. And then comes PaaS. So PaaS is nothing but platform as a service, and it offers platform that allows developers to build and deploy applications without worrying about any underlying infrastructure management. Azure offers PaaS services like Azure App Services and Web Apps, etc. So then comes SaaS. That is, SaaS is nothing but software as a service, and it delivers software applications over the internet. Azure hosts a lot of SaaS applications such as Microsoft Office 365. You might be aware of. It is a quite famous software solution. And then comes where does Azure fits into these categories by offering a you have to decide that by the range of services which is provided by Azure. So based on that, you can take the uh, benefit of Azure. And it since it provides IaaS solutions with virtual machines, PaaS services like Azure App Services, and supports SaaS applications like Microsoft 365. That means it comprehensively cover all the range of services. Then Azure also provide a wide range of services that is like that covers areas like computing, analytics, database, networking, and many more. So these services cater to various business needs and industries. So and some of the very popular services of Azure's that you might have heard, or if not, then virtual machines. It can create a virtual machine which is scalable and onto virtualized computing resources. So virtual machines is one of the famous services provided by Azure. Then comes Azure App Services, which offers nothing but a platform for building web and mobile apps. And then comes Azure Storage, a scalable cloud storage solutions for data. So data is an oil, right? There are lots of data, and Azure provides Azure Storage, which is very efficient enough in storing all the data. So next, what I would say is what comes to my mind is why Azure? Like, what are the benefits of Azure? So Uh, there are several offers that are being provided by Microsoft, which is scalability, effectiveness, global reach, and security. So when I say scalability, easily scale resources up and down as needed, cost effectiveness, like pay only for the resources you use, reducing upfront costs and all. Then global reach. Azure has data centers which are located across the world. Like it has worldwide data centers across the globe. So you can take advantage of that. And then security. Robust security measures to protect the data and applications is something which is one of the benefits of Azure and why you should choose Azure over others. And yeah, that's all. So now what I would like to go and do is, like without wasting time, I'll show you how you can build your own Azure free trial account. So let me just go back. Yes. So you just have to open, uh, you have to type Azure free free account. Okay. And once you click on Azure free account, then you click on create your free account today. So here I am. Now let me talk about how you can make use of this Azure free account. So you just type in Azure free account. I'll just select this one, and if I go and click on create your Azure free account today, that means here you have two options. So pay as you go and start free. Do not select pay as you go because this is like it is payable. You have to pay for the resources you are going to build and deploy. And since I recommend if you are a student and if you're new to cloud journey, if you want to learn Azure, then you have to click on start free. uh, so next thing would be like I have to sign up for this process. So yeah, so I have to just click on I accept, and I would like to select this check boxes. It should be, you have to click on next. Then you have to provide your name, your card number, expiry date and CVV, and your address and the city, state and postal code, and then hit on sign up. So once you hit on sign up, then let me switch back. Wait a moment. Yeah. So once you logged in or once you are signed in, then what will happen is you will be having access to your Azure Cloud Portal. So you can simply go to 1 second. Uh, you just have to type cost management and billing. So this is one thing which you have to click on, cost management plus billing, and then you can see all these details like cost management. You can find out uh, what all things are there, like you can configure your subscription so that you will be alerted and all. And then report, you can find out trends and you can optimize the costs and all. So I'll quickly go on to cost analysis first, and this will give you a clear understanding about your spending. So based on like I can select resources, then for the selected month it will show me what is the cost for that particular resource created during this time period. So here you can see there is a budget of 2000 which I have created by myself to restrict myself from overspending. So for that you can go on to budgets and you can go to add, and then you can create your budget of your own, like creation date and till what time you want it to be expired. Rest period, you should select your billing month. uh, Track cost. Okay. Okay, and then you can set up the amount. It says suggested budget for you as well based on my forecast. So Azure is very intelligent enough. It is using AI in the backend to give you a predictive cost. So if it is suggesting 741, at least I can go ahead and just use or set myself to 1000 rupees. So you can see last month 735, max amount I have spent in last 3 months is 735. So based on my budget, it is suggesting me some amount, and I see how intelligent Azure Cloud Platform is now. So this is also one of the reason why you should select Azure Cloud over other cloud providers. And then you click on next and select. You can just write your email, test at the rate uh, gmail.com, and it should be 09, and then you select or you have actual or forecasted type, and then suggest like 50% of the budget, 500. Action group none, because I haven't created any action group. You can go ahead and click on action group. You can create an action group which has uh, I just select something. Not if okay. Okay, and then I go and click on notification. So here I can type in email. If I want to get notified via email, I can type my email test07@gmail.com. Okay, you can also choose SMS, voice, and all. So this way you can create the action group, and that action group will be coming up over there. For now, I just click on OK. Notification cost. Okay, and then I click on review and create. So it's created now. Okay, so this is created now. So now I simply can go ahead here, uh, action group. Oh, maybe I need to refresh it, and then I can get one action group over here. Oh, I already created, but it has gone to another subscription. So let it be. Then based on this, if you just create, and a budget will be created for you. So for now, I will just cancel this. This is the monthly budget which I have created already. Then you go to as advisor recommendation. As Azure advisor recommendation is quite advanced. It gives you recommendations like based on the resources you are using, and what all optimizations, or like it is AI based again. It sees your consumption, and based on that it gives you some potential cost savings on this form resource recognition. So it basically does what, like it helps you to optimize your cost and budget, and see based on your past trends and all. So, and at the end we have this new support request, and here if you click on this, you can just create a new support request if you're facing any problem on your Azure VM or any of your Azure resources, deployed resources. Then if you create a ticket, you will be addressed based on that. So usually people who are on pay as you go or on the higher billing contract, they get quicker response for all the cases raised. But generally for the free account, you will be limited to raise certain severity level, that is severity B and severity C level cases, for which the time to resolution is a little bit more. So you know, right, if it is free, then those does not offer premium support services, but when there are premium subscriptions or when there are paid subscriptions, those get higher response time, or I mean to say shorter time to resolution uh, time. So yeah, that's all for today. I think I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and if you do like